Okay, so what we're asked to do on this problem is write an equation for the blue graph. So here we can take a look at the key points, right? So the first thing we have to see is what kind of graph we're dealing with. And just by the three pieces, we can tell that this is going to be a secant graph. So knowing the formula for secant, right? Y equals A secant bx is very crucial. So first we can look at the first key point, right? And that's here, 0, 1. And we can find the A, which is the amplitude, right? So since it's 1, A is going to equal 1. Then we have to figure out what the B is. So B is part of the period formula, right? 2 pi over absolute value of B is going to equal the period. And so we can look at the last key point, which is over here, which is 20 pi over 3, comma 0. And so we can go ahead and plug this in. So 2 pi over B equals 20 pi over 3. Now, when we're dealing with this formula, what we can do is times both sides by B, cancel, and then we can divide by P. So what we'll actually get is 2 pi over P equals B. And since we're dealing with a positive number, we don't have to worry about the absolute value part because this has to be positive. So 20 pi, or 2 pi over P, so that's 2 pi over, this is the P, over 3 is the same as 2 pi times the inverse of this, which is 3 over 20 pi. Okay, so the 2 pi goes into 20 pi 10 times, so B equals 3 over 10. Okay, so B equals 3 over 10, right? The A is 1, and so we're going to get Y equals 1 secant 3 over 10 x. And we can simplify this to Y equals secant 3 over 10